Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 6th, and this is my analysis of the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I'm definitely still bullish on these higher time frames. I still think this is a WXY pattern, just like the wave W was three waves and the wave X was three waves. I believe the wave Y will be three waves, which is basically an ABC of wave Y. Most likely it will go up and take out these highs, end up at one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels. So keeping that in mind, let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this first move up right here is a trend, obviously, which I think is a wave one of wave C. I think this move down is a correction, wave two of wave C. And I think there's a very good likelihood this is eventually going to go up and make a three, a four, and a wave five of wave C, which is a wave C of the wave Y, because a wave C of Y should definitely be a trend. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely had a three-wave move to the downside, A, B, and C. Kind of turned right in between two fib levels, but the way price is reacting, the way it really wasn't able to hold below that Fibonacci level, I would definitely say that it respected the 61.8. It made a nice impulsive move up. It made a break of structure, made a nice pullback retest. I think it's going up. I think there's a good chance this is a one, a two, and it's probably going up for a wave three, which means over the coming weeks and probably even months, it's most likely going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows on these higher time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is where we got our Fibonacci retracement. Like I said, this first move up is a trend, most likely a wave one. I think this right here is obviously a trend too, probably an A. This is one, two, three waves up, wave B. This is a trend, wave C. Definitely close enough for me to call a hit at the 78%. And most likely that is the end of the correction. And most likely, like I said, it's going to continue over the coming weeks to make higher highs, higher lows, probably in a wave three, which is great news for us because at the end of every single pullback, I will be looking to get long for the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, since we had the end of the correction, it's impulsive up, corrective down. Very, very nice end of a correction that we had last night and really in the Asian session, but that was a beautiful end of a correction. Nice impulsive up. This is probably a wave three. And most likely over the coming days and weeks, it's probably going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows. It's like I always say, until the higher time frames tell me otherwise, I am doing absolutely nothing but looking for longs at the end of every single pullback that I see for the continuation of what is probably a wave three. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.